Before we start, please subscribe to my channel. How to treat diabetes and obesity through your feet. Take 2 full leaves of the AAK plant. From the opposite side, which is a little rough, place it on your heel sole and wear socks. Do the same with both feet. Make sure that the leaves are touching your soles completely. Allow the leaves to stay there for the whole day. Before going to sleep, remove them and wash your legs. Repeat the process with new leaves for a week. After the week, go for the blood sugar checkup. You will be amazed. The results will be all normal, or it would be balanced for more than your expectations. It also helps to keep your inflated tummy fit. So, was it a miracle or not? AAK leaves benefits. Diseases are liked by none and are good for nothing. Even when some suffer from any kind of disease, they don't like to get medicated with oral or injectable kind of things. So then what to be done? Hey guys, cheer up. Today we will be telling you a very different remedy to treat diabetes and obesity using AAK leaves. Scientific base of using AAK leaves for diabetes. A very curious mind asks the question, how? It is a good thing. You must be getting curious to know how actually leaves helps to lower blood glucose. According to an experiment done in rats, they found that the leaves and the flowers were effective to lower down serum glucose. The administration of leaf and flower extracts to streptozotocin-induced diabetic rats showed a significant reduction in serum glucose levels. It is concluded that chloroform extracts of Calotropis gigante leaves and flowers have significant anti-diabetic activity. Precautions for AAK plants. The milk oozing from AAK plants are poisonous. Don't allow it to go inside your eyes, otherwise, it can damage your sight. If you are a diabetic patient or fed up with an unhealthy body, then must give it a try. Maybe it can help you. Take care and live well. Please, like this video. And subscribe to my channel.